What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are gonna go to Hobby Lobby with me. We're gonna go ahead and go shopping. So this last year that I was so not active here on YouTube, I became a licensed nail tech, guys. I passed my exam and I'm very excited to take you guys on this journey. 2023 has to be my year. I love doing nails. I freaking love them, and I'm taking you guys on this journey. I decided to stop by Hobby Lobby because this is where I got some glitters, and I am trying to make some more beautiful ones, and I will be filming them when I'm mixing the glitters, just so if there's any people out there that would love to do their own DIYs on glitters for nails, this is the least expensive way to get it done. So without further ado, let's go ahead. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys to where I find my containers to mix my acrylics. I was not gonna get them at Hobby Lobby because they were gonna be like, what, $3, $4, $5? All right, guys, so this Dollar Tree did not have the containers where I mix my glitters. So I'm gonna go to the one that I usually go to. It's a little further. That's why I went to this one, because it was like around the corner from my house. But it's time to pick up my kits, so I came to pick up the kits, and then I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree, and fingers crossed I find them. What I did find at this Dollar Tree was the flooded parking lot. Shit, it was hella flooded. I'm gonna show you guys a small little clip. I don't do well like recording when I'm at the store, or like when there's people watching me. I don't know, like I'm shy. People are gonna be like, who the hell is she sending these videos to? But yeah, so I don't do well. So I'm literally like right here hiding my phone in the steering wheel as I'm recording. I hope one day I'll have the balls to record in front of people, but not today. Unless it's like a special event, or like it's something that has to do with my kids, like I don't mind, like fuck it. But not for like YouTube or TikTok, or not even pictures. Like me da vergüenza. Like I don't know, like it's just something else. Anyways, so I'm gonna take you guys to the other Dollar Tree as soon as I get out of this school. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we are back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the Dollar Tree, I got this cute bag. So I actually got two of the same. I already own 3 other ones, but they're like a different. These are the ones I already own. the ones I already own, they look like this, and this is a whole different one, but same thing. It says Mother Earth thanks you. Super cute. Reusable bags are like my favorite because you can like totally wipe them down or whatever. But here in California, they do charge 10 cents a bag, so I love using my reusable bags. So I showed you guys a small little clip of where you guys can find the containers, which they're more in the traveling department. So mostly like where there's a lot of like the little containers that are for like traveling and stuff. Like small wipes, like small little things for traveling. So you'll find it on that aisle. So it comes 3 little plastic jars, and as you guys saw in the video, there's the ones that are colorful like the lids. I went with the white ones because I already have white and just all plain black, so I couldn't do colors. I cannot do like colorful ones. Like if I already went with the theme of like just white lids, I have to go with that. And these containers are 55 ml, 1.86, so almost 2 ounces. So that way you guys kind of know how big these containers are. So it's almost 2 ounces. So I got 3. So I got 3 of them. There was only 3. I was aiming to get 5 just so that I have extras for, you know, the future whenever I like want to make something. But I got 3, so 9 is enough. 9 is enough for now. So I also found these. They are 100% pure cotton rounds. Unlike when I'm doing soak offs, I'll later in the future show you guys how I do my soak offs, but I use these as well. I cut them like in 4 little pieces, so 1 little round, it's like for 4 different fingers, 4 different nails, I mean. Anyway, so yeah, I got these as well. And let me check my receipt. I think everything is like $1.25 now. Yeah, so everything was $1.25. Since my kids were with me already, we started walking around because they wanted to look at like, you know, toys, snacks or whatever. I don't let them buy toys. But anyways, they got a snack, but we were just walking the Dollar Tree just for fun. And look what I found. So I was looking at one that it's a silicone on Amazon. I think it's like, it's over $5, and I've had it in my cart for a while, and I have not bought it. And you're like, oh, it's only $5. Yes, it's only $5, but I've been saving my money when it comes to nails. Like whatever I'm making out of the sets that I'm doing, which I'm not doing like a bunch of sets yet. You know, I'm still in my little beginner process. So I'm doing like 1 or 2 clients a day. Not every single day, but whenever I can. I have up to 2 clients or just 1. And some weeks I like just go without having any clients at all. But you know, I'm beginning and I'm trying to build my clientele. But anyway, so these are 3. They were in the craft department. They're craft funnels. And these are gonna come handy when I have to pour out of my big gallons, because like acetone, alcohol and all that, I have like the big gallon instead of like buying like the small little containers for more. I just grab like, it's better to buy wholesale than buying smaller containers, because then you have a bunch of little containers you're gonna throw away because you keep buying little containers. So I just keep refilling them, and I've been wanting to get little funnels. And like I said, Amazon had it for $5, and I'm just gonna mess with these. It's 3, and they're like 3 different sizes, so I'm like super excited about this. So that's all I got at the dollar store. So it's $1.25. So if we look at how much I spent at the dollar store, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, under $10. So when I went to Hobby Lobby, I had said that I was not going to spend over $50. So I'm glad I literally spent like $10 at the Dollar Tree. And let's go to Hobby Lobby. Which Hobby Lobby, I spent $20, guys. $20 only. So this is my little bag. I contained myself from grabbing all the glitters just because I already have a bunch of glitters that I'm messing with. I needed some, well, I'll show you guys what I needed. So I'm gonna make videos on how I'm mixing like my glitters and stuff. I am not gonna show you guys today just because it's Monday and I have a bunch of things to do, but I'll show you guys in the future like how I do my glitters. So I got this one. This one was $3.49, and glitters I think were 40% off, so I'll let you guys know how much I got it for. This is a Party Blend Snow Swirl glitter. And I don't think you guys can really like, oh, there you go. Look how beautiful this glitter is. Super, super cute. This is a 2-ounce glitter, 2 ounces. And then I got a different one, which is a little bit finer. It's not as fine, but I like mixing these with different colors, like with orange, green, or whatever, because since it's like white, it gives it this pretty color. So this one's a little bit bigger. This one was $3.49, same price, and this is bigger. This one is 3.5 ounces, guys. 3.5 ounces. This one's pretty as well. I'll show you guys in lighting, like when I'm mixing the glitters, just so that you guys can get an idea on how gorgeous these glitters are. So yes, I'll let you guys know pricing on these in just a minute. And then I love mixing some of them with either silver or gold, but look at how gorgeous this gold is. This is so freaking pretty. I freaking love it. This one was $4.99. This one is a 2 ounce, and then I got another 2 ounce. This one's a Party Blend Disco. This is like a little silver. These are so freaking cute. So gorgeous, guys. Obsessed. What else did I get? Oh, I got some little crystals or rhinestones or whatever. They're crystals by Preciosa. And these are very pretty as well. I'll go ahead and show you guys in lighting, like a close-up, and I'll insert it in the video at the end. So these that were $3.49, I got them for $2.09, guys. $2.09. And the other ones that were, this one was $3.49 as well, $3.49, $2.09 as well. The other one is $4.99. So the $4.99 I got for $2.99. $4.99 I got it for $2.99. And then the little crystals, all three of these crystals I got them $2.99 each. $2.99. So normally they're $5.99. So I got them for $2.99 each. So I spent $19.76 for all these, which is really nice when it comes to like nails, because you can get your bucks back if you like try to spend a little less. And you know, like I said, I'm starting, so I'm only whatever money I'm getting from the clients I'm taking already, that's the only money I'm spending. Yeah, so that's actually it for today, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos, nail videos, because I'm very, very excited to share my experience and my journey with you guys. Until next time, bye.